Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse video on CapCut PC. In order to do that, first of all you have to download this application called CapCut, and after that just simply open that and just import your video. As you can see here, I will just choose my video, which is this one, and drag into your timeline. Now just simply click over here. Now for example, I want to reverse part of the video. So what I will do is just select the first where I want to cut. For example, I want video reverts from here to here. So what I will do, just click on over here, split, Control B, and again I will move and split. So it will make a new clip. Now click on the reverse over here. As you can see here, just simply click on the reverse clip. It will reverse the whole clip. As you can see here, the clip has been reversed. As simply can see. So this is how you can reverse a clip in CapCut.